Hello everyone, this is Rose and welcome back to my random channel. If you're wondering what I'm filming in front of, then I would suggest you to watch my last video where I talk about personal life and channel update, which I could put up in the cards. I think it's this side. I never can remember. But today is going to be another video about Calm by Wellness and my new favorite insomnia / sleep aid product that I've been using for the past 3 weeks, I would say. The specific product I'm going to talk about. Now, I've been using the Calm by Wellness CBD oil in general for like the last 3 months, I would say. But the one I'm going to talk about today, which is my new favorite, for the last 3 weeks. The product I am talking about is their Sleep Blueberry Lavender. Focus, there we go. Their Sleep Blueberry Lavender CBD oil. Now, if you saw my first video, which I can link up in the cards and down in the description, I did it on the Consciously Calm Peppermint Oil, which came in this bottle. It's basically just like an everyday CBD oil you can take to just calm yourself down. But this one is specifically for insomnia and sleep. And so this is the one I'm going to talk about today. If you would like to learn more about Calm by Wellness, the company in general, again, please watch my first video because I talk about the video extensively. I talk about the company extensively. Like how it started, what they're all about, the process for the CBD oil, and all that jazz. And also about the different products that they offer. So first I'm going to talk about the product, and then I filmed some testing vlog footage of myself the first 3 or 4 days that I've tried the product. And then you will come back to me where I would give you my concluding thoughts. So they always send their products in just very simple cardboard packaging with the little crinkly papers. And then they give you this card with all their social media information, which I will link all that down below as well. And then their customer service information right there. The first thing I would suggest would be to sign up for their emails, because when you sign up, I believe they send you a 20% off code, and then they'll keep you informed of any future sales. Like, for example, I posted on my social medias their Black Friday sale. They offer 30% off of all their products, which was awesome. I will hold up so you can see what the front looks like. And if you would like to read, you can pause. And then the nutritional info. All natural. Here are the ingredients right here, besides the hemp extract and the CBD oil. Lavender, chamomile, hops, lemongrass, hoe wood, orange, pine, and jasmine. Alright, and I will tell you before I get into the vlog footage, I have my iPad up right here to see if I've left anything out. I'll just read for you the description they have on their site. Sleep better naturally. Dreading another sleepless night? Is your insomnia keeping you up? Or are you just looking forward to collapsing in bed after a tiring day? Our sleep promoting formula with zero melatonin, by the way, with the perfect blend of broad spectrum hemp extract and blueberry lavender terpene blend formulated to guarantee a deeper sleep so you can conquer another kick-ass day tomorrow. Now, I would say if you want to do a one-time purchase of this, it costs $64.99. They do have a monthly subscription where you can save 10% automatically, and it's $58.49. And then they do sell these in bulk sizes, in which they will also throw in a quantity discount on top. 10 up to 50%, and they offer 3 to 51 plus quarts. There's a total CBD amount of 500 milligrams in this bottle. And of course, the 17 milligrams of CBD oil per dose, which is 1 full dropper. And that's really all I gotta say. So let me quickly go into my vlog footage, and then you would come back to me for my concluding thoughts. I have got, oh, that was close. The Sleep Formula from Calm by Wellness. Interesting thing is that the first oil I had, the instructions or the recommended dosage was half a dropper, but this actually has a recommended dosage of a full dropper. So now for me using the previous oil, I know with that stuff I actually had to use at least 2 droppers to have a decent falling asleep effect, but tonight I will just do 1 and report in the morning what happens. And then tomorrow I will do I know how to open it. If you saw my first video, you'll know what I'm talking about. And then tomorrow I will do 2 and let you know how that works as well. But I have to say, I'm not a huge berry person, so I think the peppermint one was a little more appealing to me. But I definitely taste that blueberry and the lavender. That's an interesting mixture. That would be a good martini. So I will let you know in the morning. Maybe it's a good thing that I'm blurry. Alright, so last night, I fell asleep fairly quickly. I believe I was asleep within that hour. It was a pretty consistent sleep for roughly 5 hours, so. But tonight I will give it a try with 2 droppers full, and I will report back how that works. Okay, so I'm about to take 2 syringes of the Calm Sleep. There we go. And I am going to take tonight 2 droppers full. Shadow of my camera. I have on a really bright lamp that I actually have not turned on in probably over a year. That's creating the shadow of my camera. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take 2 droppers full, which is what I took with the original formula that I reviewed on my channel. So
oh my god, my hair.
I will let you guys know how this works. It's 9:21 right now. I don't even think I remembered to mention times last night. But whether or not I'm asleep by 10:30. Alright, so I want to chime in really quick to let you know what happened last night. I was asleep. Totally asleep, like within a half hour of me taking the oil, which is great. And I slept for, unfortunately I normally only sleep for maybe 4 to 5 hours straight, in which I ended up waking up in the middle of the night like at 2:30, almost 3. And I like repositioned myself and all that stuff. Yeah, I don't really know if I want to up the dosage to 3. I may go back to using just 1 tonight just to see whether or not I have the same effect. And then I think this is going to be it for me testing it out. It's already proven that it works. I mean, the first oil worked fairly well for me too. Actually, I feel like this is working better for me than the first oil. But anyway, I will check back in later and let you know tomorrow morning what happens tonight. Alright, this is me updating you on how well the oil worked last night. Oh wait, no, I didn't take the oil. I think me consuming this, not daily, this is such an attractive angle, not daily, but like consuming this for most of the week has given me the ability to actually fall asleep on my own, because last night I actually fell asleep at a decent hour on my own with no problem. So I still want to give it 1 more night's shot recorded, so I will check back in later to let you know how it worked. Good morning. If you're wondering what this is actually a decent glimpse of my VIP kid classroom. Yes, I am a VIP kid teacher. But all I have to say is I slept beautifully last night. I took one dropper full, which I think I forgot to film. Yeah, I forgot to film it. And I was out within an hour. It was great, and I actually think I slept a full 6 hours last night, which is pretty phenomenal. So this is past Rose. I give the Calm Sleep let's say 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. And I have to say, I believe I like it better than the original formula. I think the original formula would be good for me to take during the day if I'm having anxiety or any type of body aches or pains. But yeah, but this is definitely working for me with the sleep factor now. All right, I hope that was riveting. Probably not. But do I love this product? I absolutely do, for many different reasons. This definitely worked for me better at night than this product. But yes, I've been taking this for what, 3 weeks now. Every night that I take it, I'm asleep within a half hour to 45 minutes, which is amazing for me without taking very strong sleeping pills. If you're a subscriber of mine, or if you just look at my Insomniac playlist, I've tested so many products over the last 5 years, I think. This is the first product I've ever taken where, believe it or not, folks, I only take this maybe 3 to 4 times a week. I have nights now, after only using this for, this started happening after me only using it for 2 weeks. I have nights where I fall asleep on my own without having to take anything. And it's a sound sleep. Some nights before 9 p.m., which is really early for me, but also amazing for me to do without having to take anything. So I have to say this has had a positive effect on me. I don't want to sound cheesy and say it's changed my life, but my sleep life has just been drastically improved since I've been taking this. And of course, taking this, I feel more comfortable taking this oil instead of popping pills, you know, prescription, non-prescription, on the daily, having no clue what kind of damage that does to my body. Interested in learning more, possibly trying it out for yourself, I would of course suggest you, only if you would like to save some money, would be to sign up for their emails through my link down below. Would I recommend the Calm by Wanna Sleep Blueberry Lavender Oil? Absolutely, I would. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more about the sleep oil or about any of the other products that Calm by Wanna has to offer, please check them out in my link in the description. Again, this is Rose. Thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.